In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a print preview in Microsoft Word. Print preview is a useful feature that lets you see how your document will look before printing, ensuring that your formatting, layout, and page breaks appear exactly as intended. This helps avoid wasting paper and ink and allows you to make any necessary adjustments before sending your document to the printer. To start, open the Word document you want to preview. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. From there, select Print. This will open the Print pane, which also serves as the Print Preview window. In this view, you'll see a preview of your document on the right side of the screen. Word shows each page as it will appear when printed, including margins, headers, footers, and other formatting elements. You can use the scroll bar to navigate through multiple pages and check that everything looks correct. On the left side of the print pane, you'll find various print settings. Here, you can select the printer, choose the number of copies, and adjust options like page orientation, paper size, and margins. You can also choose to print the entire document or a specific range of pages. If you notice any issues in the preview, you can close the print pane and make the necessary edits in your document. Once you're satisfied, return to the print pane to confirm that the changes are reflected correctly. Additionally, you can zoom in or out on the preview to get a closer look at specific sections of your document. This ensures that text, images, tables, and other elements are aligned properly and appear exactly as you want them to when printed. Using Print Preview regularly helps catch formatting errors, misplaced content, or unnecessary blank pages, saving time and resources. It's a simple step that ensures your documents are professional and accurate before printing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.